What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Episode 2 of me getting my car ready for SEMA, putting all the body parts, all the performing parts on. So it is still the same day as the last video, but we got the front lip in. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what's in there. I'm really excited for this. What the hell is this? These are just empty boxes as cushions. Yep, absolutely nothing in there. Well, at least they took care of it. It is carbon fiber, so wouldn't want nothing to happen to it. Let me go ahead and put the camera down, unwrap it, and reveal it to you guys all at once. Woo! Look at that beauty. There's just something different about carbon fiber that it's just a lot more satisfying than regular glossy part. This is gonna look sick. I can't wait to get this installed. Seems pretty easy. Not too many bolts. Don't have to remove nothing. There's nothing on the front. So we're gonna get right to it. Should be a quick and easy video. Seems pretty basic. All the bolts are already there. Don't have to go buy nothing. Don't have to do anything. Everything's ready. Just gotta remove the bolt, attach it in. But a while back, I did wrap this part in some matte carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber, whatever you want to call it. And that is a gloss carbon fiber lip. So it's gonna kind of throw it off. Might just remove it all for now and come back and wrap it later in gloss if I don't like the way it looks. But for now, I think it'd be better off just taking the whole thing off and leaving it blank. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So when you remove vinyl wrap, it's always best to heat it up. It'll make it come off all in one part. But that just seems like a lot of work to go get the heat gun and everything right now. So I'm gonna attempt to pull it all off slowly and hope it comes off in generally one piece. I can already tell that's not happening, but it's a pretty decent piece. Pull it down a little more. I think we're good. I don't think we need any heat. That is why I wrapped it. Can't get this thing to focus. There you go. I drive on the highway a lot, and there's a lot of rock chip damage just after a year of having the car. I've had it for 2.5 years now, but when I did this, it was only a year. So I wrapped it kind of to protect it more than just for looks. So we will definitely have to rewrap this and gloss to match the front lip. Got it all removed. That's what it looked like originally. A lot of scratches, a lot of chips everywhere from all the rocks on the highway. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up, clean the bottom before I install the new lip. Don't want to put it over a dirty surface. Let's go ahead and wipe that all down and get that installed. Should be quick. There you go, got everything all cleaned up. This front lip is gonna help a lot with all these scratches right here. Well, this was from a bad parking curb in a parking lot. It completely wrecked me. But there's a bunch of other minor scratches here and there that this front lip should really help protect from. I mean, hopefully I don't scratch the front lip, because it was $500 and it is carbon fiber, so you can't really just spray paint and patch something like that. But let's go ahead and get this on, the moment you've all been waiting for. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. They're all 10mm socket. You gotta remove them all, line up the front lip. It would be easier if you have help, and just bolt it back in. There you go. We've got all the bolts off. Now this is the part that would be easier if you had somebody to help you with. Have somebody to hold it up while you just bolt it in, but we'll see how I can do it with just one person. So what I'm thinking the best way to do this is to try and get the two sides in, maybe at least one or two right here in the front, and hopefully that should hold it in place for me to get the rest of them in. So getting the side one in was a little bit hard. It's a little bit more difficult to line it up and everything. So I'm gonna try and go get the first two or three in the middle right here, and then I'll line up the edges because that's where it kind of curves around the bumper. So you have to line that up a little bit more perfect. So there you go. Got all the front ones in. Oh, this thing is aggressive. This thing is so aggressive. Completely changes the look of the front of the car. Lines up with it perfectly. I got this off eBay for about $5.50. Arrived in about 3 weeks. Not bad coming all the way from China. Let me go ahead and get the last two side bolts in, and then take a couple videos and pictures from the front. So this side one is lining up way off. It's about a full inch to the left. So the hole is over here, and the bolt's over here. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get a flash in here. It is not lining up correctly. Let me see if the other side's doing the same thing. Hopefully it's not. We can get that one in and it'll help line this one up in. So this one was like a centimeter or two off, but I was able to just keep drilling through and it got right in there. It ain't going nowhere. It's perfectly in. So we just gotta figure out the other side. It wasn't exactly where it was supposed to go, but it was close enough, so I kind of just drilled through a little bit of the body, put it in. It fit perfect, so no complaints. Just gotta tighten these ones that I loosened up earlier. There you go. That is the finished look. Gave the car a way more aggressive look now. So, as I said before, I am getting my car ready, trying to get it into SEMA. I have the body kit coming, complete body kit for both fenders. I got a rear wing coming in, some side skirts, rear diffuser, which everybody knows from my other video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I can't stand the diffuser. That's what sucks about living on public streets. You always got sirens cutting you off. But as I said, I can't stand this I can't stand this diffuser. It looks terrible. I mean, they finally changed it on the 2020 RCFs. Still doesn't look that good, but it's better than this one. So I got a Rowan diffuser. That one's not coming until April. It's currently almost the end of January, so that one's gonna take a while. But other than that, everything else is coming in on schedule. Most of the car should be done by March. It's gonna look a lot more aggressive. Might wrap it, might paint it. Don't know what I'm doing with it yet. Leave a suggestion in the comments if you want.